magnified these circumstances, called them in by name, drew them close so I could see the place is still in flame. Every trigger, every old wound rising up again wasn't punishment, it was invitation to begin. When the noise dies down and I step back from the fight, observe my reaction in a softer, clearer light. Release that old judgment, let it pass on through. That's when coherence starts to grow, and the old patterns lose their hold on me and you. It don't feel like lightning, it feels like grace coming home when the noise dies down. I used to meet that same old pain with the same old knee-jerk flame. Now I watch it like a stranger, call it gently by its name. The strong one, the helper, the one who always sees. Those old identities are loosening their grip on me. When the noise dies down, the mind of God is active, the mind of God is free. Generation, organization, delivery, the teller, hearer, and the song make the three. One brings what's heavy, one listens with an open heart. The song becomes a current that tears the old world apart. Together we collapse it, the old fear, the old shame, and something brand new rises when we call it by its name. When the noise dies down, I'm no longer who I've been, I'm becoming more like me than I've ever been. The strong one, the clear one, the one who used to fight is learning how to witness in a softer, truer light. Thank you for the lessons, thank you for the pain. I'm finally coming home.